subject maths chapter 1, chapter name integers, page number 5, exercise 1a. 1a. Okay, now see what is your question. Question number 13. The sum of two integers is 65 if one of them is -31. Find other. The sum of two integers is 65 and one of them is -31. Find other. Let other integer be x. Let other integer be x. Okay. So, and what is one integer? It is given -35 and sum is 65. So, one integer is -31 plus other integer is x is equal to sum given in question. This is according to question. According to question. Now, -31 plus x is equal to 65. X is equal to 65. This minus goes to after equal to sign, this become plus 31. This process is called transposition. Equal to 96. This is your answer. Okay. Now note down this. Question number 14. The difference of an integer a and -6 is 4. Find the value of a. See, what is given? The difference of an integer a and -6 is 4. So, according to question, we want an integer a and difference is minus and another integer is what? -6 is equal to 4. This is according to question. Now, a minus minus become plus 6 is equal to 4. Then a is equal to 4 minus 6. This is called transposition. So a is equal to 4 minus 6 is equal to -2. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, now we discuss question number 15. Note down this. Write a pair of integers whose sum gives what? First is 0. So see answer. Your answer may be vary to book answer. For example, in book given 6 and -6 means 6 plus -6 is equal to 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. You can take 5 and -5 also. Means the integer and negative of its integer, or you can say a number and its additive inverse gives the 0. So you can take the number and its opposite sign for this question. 5 plus -5, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So maybe 4 minus 4 3 minus 3 2 minus 2 1 minus 1, maybe anyone can take any answer. आंसर आपका अलग अलग हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं कि एक ही आंसर हो इसमें. ओके, सी सेकंड क्वेश्चन. Negative integer. ऐसा इंटीजर आपको फाइंड करना है जिसमें दो इंटीजर के सम नेगेटिव इंटीजर हो. मतलब डेफिनेटली one will be positive and other will be negative, or maybe both negative. Their sum will be negative. So you have to take, see one example is this example 4 and -9. 4 plus -9 is equal to 4 minus 9 is equal to -5. A negative integer. You can also take -2 and -3. Its sum will be what? 2 minus 2 plus -3 is equal to -2 minus -3 plus minus, then they will be added and the result will be -5, a negative integer. So your answer may vary. Okay. Next, Question number 15 of 3. An integer is smaller than both the integers. The sum of integers is smaller than both of integers is possible in such a case when the both integers will be negative. If any one will be positive, then their sum will be maybe very different. But both integers will be negative, then their sum will be also negative and smaller than that. For example, see. -4 and -5. This is another example. -4 plus -5. -4 minus 5 is equal to -9. -9 is smaller than -4 also and -5 also. Same as books example, you can take -3 and -5. -3 plus -5 is equal to -3 minus 5 -8. Okay, thank you. Same as you do this question. Okay.